What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kisha if you guys are new here. So in today's video, as you can tell, we are doing a glow up. So this is the beginning of my glow up. I'm actually filming this the night before I do everything. Well, actually not the night before, because I'm gonna be doing this all week because I couldn't get all the appointments in one day, obviously, and then doing everything all in one day. So this is gonna be like a week process, and I work all week, so it's gonna be like I'm in and out. If you guys see scenes, I'll probably try to put the date in the corner or something, but it's gonna be a busy week, and I figured I need to do a glow up. I need to do my eyebrows, my hair needs to be cut, and then I also booked an appointment to get my lip filler for tomorrow. I was actually trying to book it for a month from now, but she had an opening for tomorrow, so I'm gonna go get them done tomorrow, and then I have my hair cut a week after. So yeah, this is gonna be like a week's process, and then hopefully by the end of it I will have somewhere to go to dress up and do my makeup and stuff. But I'm also gonna get my nails done. My cousin's gonna do my nails, so you guys will see. But yeah, you guys, I figured I'd just check in tonight because sometimes I always forget to like film everything. So I mean, I feel like this is a good before because I look pretty crazy right now, so you guys can see like the whole shebang. Maybe we can insert a clip of the aftermath, you know, when we're all glown up. But for now, this is what we're looking like, and we are just due for a glow up. Also, let me know what you guys think about these type of videos so that I know if I should do more of them. I haven't done a maintenance beauty routine in a long time, so honestly, this is probably gonna be super unorganized and not like my usual, because I feel like since I moved, it's been like kind of sporadic with doing pamper routines and shower routines and all that stuff. So I'm trying to get in the hang of everything. I've kind of been vlogging more, so let me know if you guys are enjoying the vlogs. Anyways, let me stop rambling and let's just get started. I'm about to get my lips done, so I just want to show you guys like the before. Actually, they had a cancellation. I was trying to make it in like a month or so, but they had one today. Guys, I look crazy right now, but I'm about to go get my hair done. I didn't wash my hair, so it kind of looks a little bit crazy, and then right here it was like gelling it yesterday, so it looks really flat. Let me see if I can show you guys the back. Just finished getting my hair cut. We actually went a couple inches shorter, and she actually curled it. So you guys obviously can't see the haircut right now, but I'm definitely feeling myself. This looks so cute. I kind of did the same thing as I did last time. Last time I got layers and a trim, but this time I did like more of a trim. So I definitely took off like 3 inches and then did the layers. So it looks a lot shorter than normal, but I love the way she curled it, and she didn't like do the curls all the way to the top. So I just really like it. I love the way everything looks. Guys, so I'm about to go to my cousin's right now, and she's gonna do my nails. She's still learning, so I'm gonna let her practice on me. I'm not a huge jewel person, and she wants to put jewels on me, so we're gonna see how that goes. And then I will kind of finish off this video by doing like a nice self-care pampering routine. These are my before nails, you guys. My nails are all done, you guys. So cute. I think I'm gonna take a shower tomorrow because I do want to go to the gym tomorrow, so I'm gonna take off all my makeup and stuff. I also don't want to get these ones wet yet because you're not supposed to get your nails wet for the first 24 hours. So tomorrow I will wet my nails and everything and then shower. I'm kind of worried about the jewels and everything while I like wash my hair, but it should be fine. I never get jewels, but my cousin, she wants to do like cool stuff, but I'm so like basic when it comes to nails. I really just like nude nails. I'm going to zoom in on my eyebrows and pluck these, guys. They're so bad. Now I'm gonna go in with a facial razor. I have quite the mustache and acne on my chin, so I'm probably gonna avoid my chin area, but I'm gonna go everywhere else. So let's just get started. So I'm about to hop in the shower for my little glow up. I'm actually gonna get all ready today. I'm going to actually redo my nails, give myself a nice exfoliation, a nice shower. If you guys are interested in like a more in-depth video, then definitely check out my Pamper routines. But I do want to show you guys my new like shower, because I don't even think I've showed my new shower, probably in a vlog, but like not in like, you know, a maintenance beauty video where I'm like showering and stuff. But these are the vibes, you guys. I've got these ones from Amazon. You know, they're nice and big. There's a lot of room there. And then I also got eucalyptus. It's really good for you. You guys should look up the benefits. Anyways, I need to finish this glow up. I'm gonna redo my nails and then get all ready and glammed up to finish off this video. So guys, so I am redoing my nails because, to be honest, the jewels kept getting stuck in my hair and then I ended up taking them off myself. So I just decided to redo the nails and paint them black. So I'm just going over what she's already done. They didn't grow out that much, so I'm just going ahead and reshaping it, making it nice and even around the cuticle area, just perfecting it a little bit more because I'm taking the polish off and then I'm going to reapply some new polish. So I'm just making sure everything's all smooth again. I do have more in-depth videos if you guys are interested in how I do my nails. Let me know in the comments down below and I can see if I can get an updated one or kind of include it more in a vlog where I'm actually explaining what I'm doing. But for now, I'm just kind of cleaning up the shape and then I'm gonna just go ahead and apply some nail polish. So for nail polish, I'm using the Madam Glam top coat and base coat and then the Emily black color. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the base coat, and I like to do one coat of the base coat, and then because it was black, I just did 2 coats, that was enough. But normally I usually like to do 3 coats of gel polish and then curing it for 30 seconds to a minute. Also want to make sure you're cleaning up any mistakes that you make before you cure the nail, because you don't want it to, like, you know, be permanently on your nail or on your finger. And then I'm gonna finish off with the top coat by Madame Glam. And this top coat, you actually had to clean it with alcohol after because it was sticky. So you just have to like wipe it down with alcohol. And then I'm just perfecting the shape a little, just making sure everything's still nice and, you know, even. And then lastly, I'm finishing off with some cuticle oil to give my cuticles some hydration. I really like how these nails turned out. They're super bold, different, not something I normally go for. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and get ready for tonight because I was going out, so I figured I would just end this video the day that I actually get ready to go out because I didn't want to just do my makeup to not go anywhere. So let me know if you guys want to see an updated go-to makeup routine because I kind of like do the same thing all the time when it comes to makeup. All right, you guys, I'm all finished. I've got the hair all done. I didn't really do anything with my hair. I kind of left it normal because it had like more volume and waves, but my hair is like naturally straight, so I feel like it always just flattens out so quickly. So I'm all glued up. I've got my nails done now, and then my makeup's all done. I'm actually in a rush to go meet my friend for dinner and some drinks. So yeah, I'm going to give you guys a little fit real quickly. So I've got on these Boohoo black bottoms, and then I just paired it up with some knee-high boots. Not sure if you guys can see the full fit. And then this really trendy, unique top is in my recent try-on haul, or like my recent vlog. I did a little try-on haul in there. So check that one out. I'll have it linked down below. You guys, loving the fit, loving the makeup. I finally have some makeup on. My nails are done. My hair is all did. You know, I tried to give it some volume, but I've got really straight, flat hair, so this is the best we got. But anyways, you guys, I'm gonna head out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.